What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to do an oil change. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with others. You can only subscribe once and hit that notification bell for notifications. Let's get right to it. First, here's the puppy. Possibly.
He's drooling.
So then today we changed the oil in Clint's auntie's car. We started out with the filter. We took the cover off. We took the filter out. We put it into a drain pan. While we had it off, we put on a new gasket on the cap that came with the filter so that it doesn't leak when you put it back together. And then we screwed the cap back on top of the filter housing. And then we had to take the oil out of the engine, old oil. So we come over here to this side of the car, and we took this red jack right here, and we jacked it up to get it up high enough that we could get underneath of it safely to take the cap off, the plug out of the oil pan. This is the oil pan. We drained all that dirty oil out of the engine, put it into this pan right here. And it was all drained out and it quit leaking out of there. Then we screwed the plug back in with a new washer that also came with the filter. And then we pulled this out of here. We let the car back down onto its tires. In a little bit, I'm going to show you, we're going to take this oil and we're going to dump it into a bucket that we're going to take for recycling. Because it's good to recycle. And we had to add the new oil. So we took this cap off, the filler cap. Tells you exactly what kind of oil to put in there right there. That's kind of handy, huh? So, Auntie picked up some new oil at the store. And I put a whole 5 quarts in, and it wasn't quite enough to fill it to the full mark on this dipstick right in here. This is where you check the oil. Right in here, this yellow dipstick. You pull that out. It has marks on it right here. See? Full and empty, or low. So you got to check and see that you got enough oil in there after you fill it back up. So I ended up putting part of this in there too to get it up here all the way to this full mark right here. Okay? So it says full right now, but we haven't started the engine yet. We still have to start the engine and run it, check for leaks, and then we'll shut it off and we'll let the oil run back down into the pan for a few minutes, and then we'll check the oil again. In the meantime, we're going to dump all that dirty oil in here before the dog gets in it over here and makes a big fat mess.
This boy right here. This little boy. This boy.
Super full. And we don't want to spill it on the concrete because it makes a big mess.
Or me, or my phone, which I'm YouTubing with. And if it gets on my phone, well then I'm not posting this.
Okay. Here we go. Don't get too close then if you don't want it on your phone.
Woo!
Oh, it's gonna bubble.
Looks like
Gotta get some
chocolate,
air.
doesn't it, guys?
Like some really thick coffee.
Make some really thick Hershey's.
Okay. We're just gonna let that sit there and drain for a while. Hopefully. Get most of that oil out of that pan. I don't want it to tip over. So I'm gonna lean it up here. Okay? Then we're gonna go start the car. Take this stuff off of here.
Boring. Hey, can I put you guys in?
You want us to stand by the car?
Sure.
Okay.
We're gonna start the car.
Dustin, go.
We gotta get out real quick and check underneath to make sure there's no leaks.
Gotta get out of Francis' way. He's gonna start the car.
Okay, ready, guys? You wanna beat it? Hey, Dustin.
This See any leaks up here?
Any leaks?
Is there any leaks up here with the camera? Don't see any. How about underneath?
What's underneath?
Any oil dripping?
No?
Well, it looks good. I guess we did all right there.
This is my auntie and Dustin.
Hi. You better keep checking for leaks.
Whoa, yeah.
Now we have to let it sit for a minute. And then we'll check the oil again and make sure it's still full. Pull it out, wipe it off. Stick it back in there. Wait a second or two, or 5. Pull it out. See if it's full. Look, it's not quite full. It's down here on the low mark, see? That means we have to add more oil. That's what happens when you start it. Oil goes up into the filter and then it's like you lose some. You don't really lose it, it just
Uses it all up.
goes into a different spot. So we're going to take this cap off and we're going to add some more oil here.
Hi. Look,
Are you watching?
you're missing it.
You can try to put it in there without the funnel
Ooh.
because the funnel's got dirty oil in it now and I don't want to mix it. Should we try that? See if that's enough?
Woo!
It's about half of that quart.
Woo!
Gonna have to start it again.
What day is it?
It's Saturday.
Okay.
Today is Saturday, guys. So just let you know, if it's Saturday at your place, awesome. You're watching a Saturday YouTube video.
Okay, that's it. You got her?
That's
Full?
it. It's full.
There you go.
Ready to go.
Just that easy. See ya.
Want me to videotape you?
And guys, that is how you take an oil change. And make sure to like and subscribe, share with others. Make sure to hit that notification bell for notifications. And you can only subscribe once. Bye!
Do you want me to end it?